Hey, it's H here, and today we're taking a look at technical analysis for SCRT or secret. First, we are going to have a look into some classical technical analysis, and after that I'm going to show you a couple of different Elliott Wave counts. If you don't know what Elliott Wave theory is, there is a link on screen right now and another one in the description of the video. Without knowledge about Elliott Wave theory, you won't understand what I'm going to show you, so please do yourself a favor and take a look at the videos linked. Also, none of the presented information should be used as financial advice. This is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. The setups following are for my own use and for documenting purposes. Without further ado, let's jump into the classical technical analysis. So, this is the thing that I wanted to show you first. Horizontal levels weekly, monthly and daily. Let's go into a bit deeper, closer look. Currently we have been sort of this range, and we got a few different key levels that I'm looking at currently. Basically we came down from these lows here on the 18th of March and currently price around $5 after making this high here around $6.8. I got this setup here that could be a possible setup for myself only. This here is the volume profile for this whole range, and we got this daily here at around $4.80 with the point of control around the same area and a golden pocket from these lows here on the 18th of March and the high of April 3rd, all lining up really well on this area. So this is possible setup for future if the price decides to come back down here. There's some good key levels there and definitely something that I'm going to be looking into. Now, that is the basic thing I wanted to show you first, the setup, and let's close that. Check out some moving averages. Let's go back to daily, and currently looks like we are just below all of the daily moving averages, 200 and 100, 50 and 20, and it is looking kind of bearish, at least on the moving average side. RSI, let's see, no real divergence at the moment here, so nothing major. Volume wise, this is a bit kind of odd. We had this massive spike in volume around the 19th of June and ever since slowing down as well. Overall as well, this has been quite a weird looking chart for volume wise. We had a bump here around the just after the crash on 2020 March, and then we've just been kind of slowing down with the volume as well. Nothing interesting going on here too much on MACD. Looks like it is both of these. We could basically set up some kind of trend lines on MACD as well. Both of these seem to be fine with the histogram as well, if you want to place that kind of sort of game. This usually entails that before a big move on either direction we are consolidating and MACD is just making lower and lower high combinations. Now I think that's everything I wanted to say on classical side. Let's take a look into the Elliott Wave counts. I got two different ones that I am mainly looking into, and these both are very high time frame. This one here is all the way from the 2018 lows, basically to the current price action. The all-time high was around this October 2021, around the $11 area, and that is something that I've marked with 5, ending this primary 1 starting from the December 2018. Now next, on a grand scheme, we would be looking for wave 2 downwards. Whether it comes down all the way to this golden pocket is hard to say. And yeah, this looks like a consolidation area, and doesn't really look like wave 2 at this moment. But however, this is the only basically bullish way I could see this market going. We could see some more bearish action most likely if we go below this trend line, go below these lows here around the 16th of December last year. There's around $3.63 or 64 cents. There's most likely going to be a lot of stop losses hit here on this area, so the price might take a good beating downwards. I couldn't also fit any other kind of bullish structure here. No impulses I could find. This all looks really 3-wave-ish to me, even though we've been climbing higher correctively or motively. It still looks 3-wave-ish to me. Also, this extension, Fibonacci extension from the 1 to 2 or 0, 1, 2 brings 1.618 here at the $13.24 area, and that still hasn't hit, which means that this is most likely something that is not really impulsive, unless we are of course building some kind of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 before launching. Now that is another possibility, but I haven't included it here. But yeah, that's definitely something to keep in mind as well. Let's put this back to the bull folder. Another setup or possibility is this one. Okay, there's too many fibs here, you can't see anything, so let me close down the fibs for now and go through this. I missed something here. So another possibility would be some kind of a larger time frame correction, being WXY, and another ABC connecting this whole thing again to something else. Also, this WXY could be the connector for something that would be basically happening here, but as we don't have real price dates back here, it is impossible to say what this is. Again, all of these moves look kind of corrective to me, and this is the reason I even presented this count. Some of these wicks here are not present on other exchanges. This particular coin hasn't been like in many exchanges, but Gate.io for example has it, and let's see, we can see that on Binance we had this massive wick here and not on Gate.io. Some small wicks here as well, but yeah, overall it is pretty good looking. For the current price, actually before we go there, let's take a look at the Fibonacci's. This is going to explain why I had this WXY even placed down here. So WX, now this didn't come down to the B wave flat area, it came down to the 786 retracement, which means that if we want this to be a three-wave move, we would need it to be a WXY, because it didn't come to the B area, or the flat area I guess I should say. Here we can see again, for the larger correction, this WXY, we had these targets. The targets hit here around the 1.382, and for this lower time frame A, B, C, we again hit the same area, 1.236 area. So that was definitely something, if you were holding this and had spotted this, even just these basic things that are correlated here and giving some kind of similar lines here on the Fibonacci extensions should be taken a consideration. Either this one-to-one area with the 1.236 on the yellow count or the minor degree. These are probably good positions to take a profit. Now for this one here, it should be yellow as well. So this is again a flat, expanded flat pocket here for this A, B, and creating a C. Now, as this is expanded flat, most likely the one-to-one is something that to aim for. Possible areas to take profit again, 0.618 here at around $3.12, and the one-to-one is again 1.45, and the 1.618, which is definitely another target that C-Wave could go to, is around 42 cents. Yeah, those are basically the levels that I would be looking for if you would like to go long on Secret. I wouldn't be long in this here. I don't see any structure that would support it. I see only downwards action coming for this coin, unfortunately. For the last leg from A to B, there is this golden pocket that I could be aiming for as well, around the $2 area, and possibly look into that more. Now for the current price action, let's go to 1 hour. So this is from the all-time highs around 28th of October last year. I could see just this three-wave pattern here into W, three-wave again to X, then a zigzag pattern, 3 waves again into Y. That is why I got WXY presented here. Another ABC, this time again a full zigzag, and here again ABC. Now how these relate to each other is a bit weird, and I am not sure. Also placing the C here, saying that this is an impulsive move, is possible, but there is this wick here that was present on other exchanges as well, creating a possibility, or not making a possibility, for this next structure to be impulsive unless we place the C wave here. Now if if we are saying that this is a C wave, well, it is just not like we can't really count it. We can't use Fibonacci extensions to make this last leg into anything. This looks like, if we want to place this looks more like a 3-wave action. This large wave here, then this 3-wave action, and this 3-wave action. So if this is to go like so, we would be looking more like something like this, ABC, in a smaller degree, let's say sub-mini for now, and then maybe another 3 waves here, or actually it's probably 3 waves like so, and then another 3 waves here, 3 waves up here, and 3 waves down into here. And that is the only way I could see us getting to C, but then I'm not sure how we would explain this. 5 waves into A, but why is this? This would be ABC, 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 ABC. Let me measure this once more. I think I did measure this. So this is 1-to-1, meaning this leg here is larger than the first leg, and this one is smaller than the third leg. So it doesn't really look good. The only thing that I could think is that if we again have these 5 waves, and these 5 waves somehow, we would need to force it to start here, because this is the highest point, and then we would have 5 waves. But I just can't figure out if there would be a way to get this to be a 4. It would be super ugly, and the only way I could see it is this being 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But does this really look like an impulsive way to you? It doesn't to me. So SCRT is at the moment in really weird spot where I don't really see a clear way. Elliott Wave wise, there's definitely setups to be had, but Elliott Wave wise it is kind of mess with all this 3-wave action. Now, I also had a thought about this being a triangle of some sorts. It definitely could be, based on just the price data here. Being on daily, we have this high here though, and this high is higher than this high here, making a bearish divergence that shouldn't be present on RSI in triangles. So that is why I'm not taking a look more into this possibility of a triangle. But yeah, I think that's all I want to present to you today for SCRT for now. And if you have another coin, let me know down in the comments below if you would like me to analyze it. For now, I thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you soon again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.